What if you could have a complete workshop in one compact case? This professional 21V cordless drill set is your ultimate power tool companion, ready to tackle any job from assembling furniture to building decks. Forget about underpowered drills that quit halfway through the job or cheap tools that don't include the accessories you need. This comprehensive set comes with everything: a high-torque drill, precision screwdriver bits, drilling bits for wood and metal, socket adapters, and not one but two 2.0 AA batteries, so you never have to stop mid-project. The powerful 21V motor delivers serious drilling and driving force, effortlessly handling everything from hanging shelves to automotive repairs. What really sets this apart is the adjustable torque control with multiple settings, giving you perfect precision whether you're driving delicate screws into wood or drilling through tough metal. The quick change chuck system means switching between bits takes seconds, not minutes, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand even during extended use, while the built-in LED work light illuminates dark corners and tight spaces. Plus, the durable carrying case keeps everything organized and protected, making it perfect for both home workshops and job sites. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional tradesperson, this is the tool set that rises to every challenge. Get yours today through the link in the description and comments.